Hey there, friend. Ever think about that secret part of your house right underneath you?
The crawl space, yeah, where nobody usually goes.
Exactly. And what if it's getting wet down there? That's not good.
Definitely not good. That's right. Today, we're doing a deep dive into something super important called crawl space drainage.
Okay.
It's really all about making sure that hidden spot under your house stays dry and, healthy.
So our big mission today is understanding what crawl space drainage actually is.
Yeah, and why it's so important, especially in really rainy places.
Yeah.
Like West End Vancouver comes to mind.
Right. And all the good things, the awesome benefits it brings to your home.
And we're getting these cool facts from the experts over at Pacific Blue Mechanical. They really know their stuff about keeping homes dry. Seriously knowledgeable.
Okay, so let's unpack this. Crawl space drainage, basically it's like a special plan to handle water under your house.
That's a good way to put it. It stops water from just, sitting there and causing all sorts of trouble.
Makes sense.
And what's really fascinating here is, places like West End Vancouver, right there by English Bay, they get a lot of rain. Plus, the ground holds a lot of water. The water table's high.
Ah, okay. So that means...
And these homes there really need these special drainage systems. Things like French drains, sump pumps, stuff designed to actively push water away.
Right. Because otherwise
you get big puddles under there, yucky mold starts growing, you get those musty smells filtering up, and it can even damage the actual base, the foundation of your home. It's serious stuff.
Wow. Okay, so what does this really mean for you, the homeowner listening? Like, the bottom line.
Well, good drainage keeps your home strong, safe. It stops that nasty mold and prevents wood rot.
And you mentioned smells.
Yeah, and it makes the air inside your house much cleaner, healthier for everyone living there.
Yeah.
That's a big one people don't always connect.
That air quality point is huge. Something like, what, almost half the air upstairs can come from the crawl space?
Yeah. Exactly, around 40-50%. So clean air down there means cleaner air up where you live.
Okay, so connecting this to the bigger picture, using professional drainage services, what's the advantage there?
Well, you get experts who know exactly what they're doing. They've got the right tools, maybe smart sump pumps that work automatically.
And sump pumps, how do they work?
They can sense water levels and just, turn on when needed. They set up systems that are designed to really last. It's about preventing bigger, way more expensive problems later on.
Right, avoiding those massive repair bills down the road. But here's where it gets really interesting for homeowners, I think.
Oh, yeah.
Good drainage doesn't just save you money on repairs.
Yeah.
It can actually make your home worth more money.
Absolutely. That's a huge benefit.
We learned some homes, like in Canada, have seen their value go up by, 10-15% after getting these systems put in?
That's right. It's a solid investment.
Yeah.
Think about it. You're boosting the core health of your house. It's definitely a win-win.
It really is. So this raises an important question then. How do you know if you have a problem? What signs should you look out for?
Good question. You should definitely keep an eye out for, obvious puddles or just damp soil down there.
Okay.
Or if you notice that kind of musty, earthy smell inside your house, that's a classic sign.
Right, that damp smell.
Yeah. Or even seeing actual mold or mildew growing on the walls or floor joists in the crawl space. If you see any of that, it's time to investigate.
So pay attention to those clues. Don't ignore them.
Definitely don't ignore them. Catching it early saves a lot of trouble.
So that was our deep dive into keeping your home's hidden parts, the crawl space, dry and healthy. Super important stuff.
It really is. And maybe for you listening, it's worth asking.
Yeah.
What part of your home might be secretly wet right now? And what could dealing with that mean for your family's health and maybe even your home's piggy bank? Something to think about.